Every year, more than 1.9 million people are diagnosed with diabetes. According to the American Diabetes Association, there are currently 25.8 million people in the United States with diabetes, and an estimated 79 million people, many undiagnosed, are pre-diabetic. Diabetes can be a crippling disease, which can rob you of vitality and quality of life. Left unmanaged, diabetes can cause or be responsible for blindness, kidney failure, limb amputations, and even death. In 2007, diabetes ranked as the number 7 killer of Americans. The bad news for diabetes sufferers is there is no known cure for the debilitating disease. But you can control and manage your diabetes, and you can beat it with the proper diet and plenty of exercise. But who can on their own eat the perfect diet and constantly get the appropriate amount of exercise in our common grab-and-go, high-paced world? Let's face it, most of us don't. Introducing BioSlife Slim G, a revolutionary glucose management system, clinically proven and doctor-endorsed solution designed to help manage blood sugar levels more naturally without harmful side effects.
I have patients who have used insulin for their diabetes, type 2 diabetics, that I've been successfully been able to get off insulin. And reduce that, using the BioSlife. I've got patients who absolutely require insulin who have been able to reduce their doses as much as 40+% using the BioSlife product.
This new BioSlife Slim formulation is designed to provide you with improved glycemic control in response to the foods you eat. With BioSlife Slim G, you can more easily control your blood sugars without having to endure an overly restrictive diet and without having to follow unrealistic workout regimens. By simply drinking BioSlife G twice a day, right before your major meals, you will be able to assist your body in balancing its blood sugar levels and reducing the glycemic index for the food you eat. Most people see positive results and stabilize their blood sugars within 48 to 72 hours. BioSlife Slim G could not become available at a more critical time for many people. With BioSlife Slim G, you can become healthier, stabilize your blood sugars, and become more resistant to the ill effects of diabetes. Get back to the healthier, happier you. BioSlife Slim G is proof that you can manage your type 2 diabetes with diet. Isn't it time you stop being a slave to your diabetes? Pick up a box of BioSlife Slim G today and put your diabetes in check.